What's good, guys? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get Korone/Pecora on Mac OS. I've promised this tutorial for quite some time now. Low-key, I got exams, so I thought that, before I fully, have to go for a little bit, I will at least let the Mac OS users be able to play Korone as well. So, what you want to do is you want to go to the Korone official Discord. This is the official Korone Discord, as you can see. And you want to go to the Korone Importance tab, and you want to go to the download announcements. If you don't see download, what you want to do is you want to click here, and you want to do show all channels. Because some channels, as you saw, some channels disappeared there. So what you want to do is make sure you click show all channels, so then you can see it. If in case you don't see the downloads page, all right. Now, when you're on download, this is the top of the page, but what you want to do is you want to scroll down to the very bottom, all right, where it says official and unofficial clients. Now, Mac OS doesn't have an official client for Korone. There's only a, community created somewhat port for it. This is, so yeah, so here, as you can see, you got John Field's APKs, which we covered in the Androids video, and the 2021 IPA, which I also covered in a separate iOS video. What we want is we want the Mac OS/Linux over here. So we're going to click Mac OS/Linux. And what we want to do is, as you can see, we got Korone Strap public archive repository was archived on the 27th of April 2026. It's now read only. And as you can see here, it's Korone made with love by user test on Korone running on Windows. So it will detect what you are using. So if I were to run it, it would say I'm using Windows, and then I select what version I want to install. Now, since this is a Mac OS version, as you can see, features Mac OS support. Finally, 2017 and 2018 support, but these are Linux only. So I would not recommend. I believe you won't even have the option to download 2017 or 2018. So if I were you on Mac OS, I'd only install 2021 or 2020. 2021 is probably the better option for you guys because, quite frankly, it will probably allow you to play most, if not all, games on Korone. So, what you want to do is you want to scroll up here where it says releases, and you want to click on 1.1.5 latest release. Now, this might change in the future. This might be a different number, but basically what you want to do is you want to click here on the releases. Click on this, okay? And as you can see here, force failure on missing Windows asset. That's, nothing interesting that we need to know. So as you can see, it's got 6 assets, Korone Strap Linux. So this is if you're using a Linux device, Korone Strap Mac OS ARM.zip, or Korone Strap Mac OS Universal. Um, Personally, I would probably use Mac OS Universal, because it's universal. Pretty sure any like a Mac OS can run it. So I just install it and unzip it. Here's where the tutorial will have to cut short because, well, I do not own a Mac OS device, and quite frankly, the what is it called? The virtual machine I installed just doesn't work. So I'm unable to run this for you guys in real time to show you that the Korone Strap macOS Universal works. However, what you want to do is, I will link a video in the description below showing you how to install this. Well, install any zip file on macOS, and hopefully that will solve your issue and you'll be able to play Korone. All right. But yeah, what you want to do is if you face any issue, you want to go to Korone stuff over here, and you want to file a Korone community help. Okay, we will respond. We've got staff online. We've got people online that will help you. A lot of staff are asleep right now as I'm recording this, but that's fine because our staff are, well, from across the world, so I can't really, I can't really do anything about them living in a different country. So yeah, that's how you install Korone on Mac OS. If there's any issues, please join the Discord. We will try to help you Join the Discord anyway. We will be hosting a competition soon, right after when everyone finishes their exams, their final exams. And yeah, there will be prizes to be won. So yeah, that will be it for today's video.